Samsung Galaxy A53 full unboxing has been leaked, which gave us first look of the design and box content. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, Samsung next event will be held on March 17 according to the leaked promotional material that arrived yesterday. And now today we have got the unboxing for the Galaxy A53, which revealed interesting thing about the device and box. First of all, we will see that it's going to be coming with a small box just like Samsung other flagship boxes, which I honestly think could not include one important thing. Inside the box we have the similar looking device that we have seen last year, the Galaxy A52 and A52s. It will be coming with a similar camera bump on the back side just like the last year model, like we have the same quad camera setup on the back side, same volume and power button on the right side. So this means that there will be no design. It looks exactly same as the last year model. One important thing that is noticeable in the design, you will be thinking that we have not seen the headphone jack. Yes, unfortunately the headphone jack has been removed in all the A series devices. Not only the A53, A73 and A33 will not be coming with a 3.5mm headphone jack support. So guys, this is unfortunate as other brands in this mid-range category provide the facility of 3.5mm headphone jack. So honestly, this is kind of a disappointment for many of the Samsung fans. And aside from removal of the headphone jack, there is no charger in the box either, which is also a bummer for Samsung fans because last year Galaxy A series was coming with the charger inside the box. Even the flagship series was not coming with the charger. But this time around Samsung is completely removing the charger from their mid-range category device, which is kind of a disappointment, as other brands in the similar category like Chinese brand give us a 67 watt of a charging speed in the mid-range devices. So I do believe that Samsung should have provided the charger inside the box. Well, moving forward, nothing has been confirmed other than the design and the accessories that are going to be coming in the box. According to the leak spec that has been arrived previously, it gave us the detail that it will be coming with a 6.5-inch of Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate. The front is also coming with a punch-hole camera around with a 32-megapixel front selfie camera. It's also going to be protected by Gorilla Glass protection on the front, and in-display fingerprint reader is also supported. On the back we have the same camera setup as the last year, like we have the 64-megapixel of main sensor, 12-megapixel of ultra-wide, 2-megapixel of a depth sensor and 2-megapixel of macro shooter with LED flashlight. Finally, inside it will be packing with a 5000 mAh of a battery with 25-watt charging support. As far as the processor is concerned, this time around we are going to see a new processor, the Exynos 1280. Unfortunately, we don't know about its spec sheet yet, but considering the leaks and rumor, it will be powerful as compared to the last year's Snapdragon model. Moving towards the storage, we are expected to see a 6128 or 8256GB of storage option with a micro SD card support is also available. With that being said, it's also going to be coming with Android 12 support with One UI 4.1 on top of that. And along with that, one good thing that is coming with the A series device, that Samsung will provide you a 4-year of software update, meaning that your next Galaxy A series device will be supporting you up to Android 16. Other than that, the pricing for the Galaxy A53 will be around €349 based on leaks and rumors, and this is for 6 and 128GB model. And guys, the other devices that are expected to be launching at the March 17 event will be the A73 and A33. A detailed video about their spec sheet and design has been on my channel. Their links are in the description and in the cards. Do check them out if you are interested. So guys, overall I think that this device is looking similar to the last year model. Unfortunately, we are not going to see the headphone jack and the charger in the box, which is quite an unfortunate. Other than that, the 4-year of software update and a new processor look promising. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do consider subscribing to my channel for daily tech video. Thanks for watching. Peace.